Hello there. If you're new to my channel and my videos, welcome. It's great to meet you, I suppose. And if you're returning, hi. You may have noticed that I took a long break, and I'm sorry that I didn't give an announcement that I would be doing that. I did not intend to be gone for so long. I think I was gone for almost 2 months, and my life just got very chaotic, but I'm back on track, happy to be here, happy to be continuing to make videos. I've got a lot of great ideas in store for videos coming forward, and that being said, let's just get into it. So basically my art business just kind of took over my life for a while there. I am a burgeoning art peddler, and I'm relatively new at this, so I don't always anticipate the volume of my work and how much that will encroach on my routine. Routine is very important to me as a person with mental illness. I desperately need a routine in my life to function, and without said routine, everything falls apart. I had to focus all of my energy on my art business for the past 4 months, and towards the end it was just really escalating and I kind of lost track of everything. It was for the best. I am so proud of my art and so happy with where my business has taken me. Essentially, I had a craft fair to do, and I've never really gotten into that. I've only ever done one other craft fair, and that first one was very overwhelming and I was not well prepared. So with this second one, I had a better idea of what I was getting into, and I did a good job of getting everything done on time. I didn't realize how so much work would just drain me and take all my energy and focus and time. It took a lot of time out of my life. I was just crafting the shit out of my life, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to do that craft fair, and it was very rewarding and I learned a lot, and I'm excited to do it again. But I need to learn a more sustainable way to do that without burning myself out. So like I said, it was a learning experience. I'm grateful for it. I had a great time. I'm also very glad that it's over. Going forward, I do think that I can continue to do fairs like this in a better way of, not exerting too much energy and pacing myself. And I've built enough inventory now that I don't feel like I have to absolutely kill myself to make enough product. So I was given a lot of tips at the fair from another vendor who directed me to a fair that would be more up my alley, because it is for more alternative creators, and my work is very, very alternative. I make clothing, I make punk battle jackets, I make screen printed clothing, I make knitwear, and it was more appropriate for me to go in the direction of this fair I'm looking into now than the one I started with, because my audience is out there and I just haven't quite found it yet. Also, I'm flooded with commissions because while I may not be performing as well in person with these craft fairs where I'm very new at it and don't know what I'm doing, I do really well online and I make a lot of commissions, and I have some really big projects that I've been working on that are going to take a long time to complete. So it's been a juggling act of work, and I love my work. I love it so much, and I'm very blessed to be able to have a job where I am in control and it's fulfilling creatively. I love what I do. I'm just still finding that balance. So that's why I fell off the radar for the last couple of months. I just was having the best problem of too much work, and I loved it. It was a great problem to have. I'm relieved that I can take a break. So very happy to be back onto a routine, because my routine was completely eradicated, and like I said, I need a routine to function. So back on track, happy to be making videos, glad to be committing to my upload schedule once again. I have so many great ideas in store, and there's going to be an incredible collaboration that I'm working on right now with a friend that I'm very excited to put out there. So that will be coming soon. I don't think it will be coming in my next video, but it will be sometime within this month. I can't really say much more about it because it is a delicate subject that I am trying to approach with tact and grace. But yes, there are big projects underway. Look out for videos about personality disorders, look out for videos about Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, and look out for a hell of a lot more psychosis content because that is my bread and butter. So anyway, if you've watched this far, I really appreciate you and thank you so much for your support. Always be sure to like, comment, or subscribe if you want to follow my content. It means a lot to me. So thanks. See you in the next one.